Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crop images in Photopea. So what you can do is grab this rectangle select tool in the top left, and if you want to, you can just crop this out. Right click on your layer, rasterize, backspace, and there it goes. If you're looking for more of the solution on how to cut out a photo, the best way I could help you with that would be to grab the pen tool here. And what you want to do with the pen tool is if you click Control Plus and you zoom in, it's a little too far. You want to take the pen tool and completely outline your image. So I'll see you guys in 1 second when I do that. All right, so now you guys can see I have this pen trail. You're going to go up to the top, make sure it's on path, click Make Selection, okay. And then click Select Inverse, and then just backspace. Make sure your layer is selected, and there you go. So that's how you cut an image out and how to crop an image. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out a few of my other videos. See you in the next one.